Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer, the perfect solution for all your household laundry needs. This compact and powerful washer is designed to make your life easier and more convenient, and let me tell you, it does not disappoint. With a capacity to wash up to 11 pounds of laundry at a time, this portable washer is perfect for small to medium-sized households. It comes with 6 cycle selections, including normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only, so you can customize your wash based on your specific needs. But that's not all. This portable washer also offers impressive functionality with 3 water level choices and hot, warm, and cold temperature settings. You can even select a delay start of up to 24 hours, so you can have your laundry ready exactly when you need it. The stainless steel tub is a game changer, providing a durable, rust and corrosion resistant solution for years to come. The top-loading transparent lid lets you keep an eye on your laundry as it gets cleaned, and the impeller washer ensures a thorough and efficient wash every time. And let's not forget about the additional features: auto unbalance detection, auto shut-off safety features, and child lock protection make this washer a reliable and safe option for any household. But here's the best part: this fantastic portable washer is designed for mobility, with 2 rollers, 2 side handles, and adjustable leveling legs, making it easy to transport from room to room. And with the included connector adapter, water supply hose, and drain hose, you'll have everything you need to get started right away. So why wait? Say goodbye to the hassle of laundry day and upgrade to the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing washer and make laundry day a breeze. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.